Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can compare the stocks on Yahoo Finance. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Yahoo Finance and sign into your account. The next step you want to do is search for two stocks which you want to search for. So you can just go ahead and search for a name over here. I'll just go ahead and search for APS. Let's see what appears over here. So as you can see, these number of shares are here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one over here. And I'm going to click on compare, which you see right next to following. As soon as I tap on compare, I need to search for a stock. So I'll just go ahead and tap on add stock over here. And I want to compete it or compare it with Twilio. So I'll just go ahead and tap on Twilio. And as you can see, all of the comparisons can be done. You can add up to 4 stock comparisons and you can compare and buy what you want. So guys, this is quite easy and helpful. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.